Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we do unit number 1, sets. Set. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. The term well-defined means that there is no uncertainty about which object belongs to the set and which does not. There is no repetition of element in a set. The word uncertainty means it's very clear about the sets, about the objects which belongs to the set or not. For example, A is a set of all even numbers. Sets notation. Sets notation. A set is denoted by a capital letter. The members, entries or objects of the set are called elements which are placed within curly brackets. For example, A is equal to the red, blue, yellow, and it is enclosed with the curly bracket, and all the elements of set A, red, blue, yellow are separated by commas, and this set is denoted by a capital letter, that is A. If the elements of the sets are alphabets, then these elements are written in a small letter. For example, B set of English alphabet, and we can write in a curly bracket, within a curly bracket, and separate all the letters by the commas, and we should write in a small letter. Exercise 1A. Question number 1 is, do the following statement represent sets? If yes, then write in set notation. Part D is the set of all letters in the word committee. Solution of this part is, it is a set, it is a well-defined, and D as a denoted by the name of set, and C, O, M, I, T, E are the elements of the set. There is a double M, it's a repeated, so we have to write only one time. Note is that solve remaining parts of this exercise as question number 1, part number D. More on sets. Some important sets are present there. Natural set, we denoted with the capital letter and start from the 1 and close in a curly bracket, or all elements are separated by commas. W represent the whole sets, capital W, and started from the 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Z set of integers, capital Z is a set of integers that is includes all negative, all positive elements with 0, including 0. Even numbers are denoted by capital E, and 2, 4, 6 up to so on. Set of odd numbers represented by capital O and 1, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. Set of prime numbers denoted by capital P, and these are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 up to so on. Set representation. A set can be represented in 3 forms: descriptive form, tabular form, set builder notation. Descriptive form. A set is described by well-defined words. For example, T is a set of 4 sports channels on TV. It is well-defined. Tabular form. The elements of the set are all listed between a pair of curly brackets and separated by commas. For example, X is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set builder notation. The members of a set are represented by a small letter. For example, X, then a symbol, this symbol which stands for such that is put, and then a property is stated which clearly defines the members of the set. For example, B is a set of 1, 2, 3, 6, 18, the set of all factors of 18. Then in the set builder notation, it is written as this. I read as B is the set of all X such that X is a factor of 18. Exercise 1B. Question number 1, write the following in tabular form. A set of 4 reptiles. It's a descriptive form and we write in a tabular form. 4 replies are snake, lizard, crocodile, frog, separated by commas, enclosed in a curly bracket and denoted by capital A. Solve the remaining parts of question number 1 as question number 1A. Question number 2. Give 3 ways of describing the sets. 3 ways are descriptive form, tabular form, set builder form. The part A is a set of 3 reasons for global warming. Solution of part A, descriptive form. A is a set of 3 reasons for global warming. Tabular form, the reasons are air pollution, deforestation, chemical waste, and separated by commas enclosed with a curly bracket and denoted by capital A. Set builder form. A is a set X such that X is a set of causes of global warming. Solve question number 2B is same like question number 2A. Set symbols. This symbol means is an element or belongs to, and this symbol means not an element of or does not belong to. For example, we have a set X equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 3 belong to X. 3 is including in a X. 3 belongs to X and 4 does not belong to X and 4 is not an element of set X. Exercise 1C, question number 1 and 2. Solve this exercise according to the set symbols. Thanks.